Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Lare Studios. This is part 5 of the Excel tutorial. Now we'll be looking at, we are continuing from where we stopped earlier. We'll be looking at the highest scores in maths. We want to find a specific value in our data. You can use Excel to do that too. We want to find the lowest scores in maths. Likewise, we need to find the highest scores in English, the lowest scores in English. Look at our data. Now we want to start extracting some specific value from it. For us to do that, let's quickly dash to that. The highest scores in maths. There's a formula for that, an inbuilt formula from Excel to find the maximum value of a particular range of data. The maximum value of a particular range of data. That's it. So now we say equals to, I move to my max. Click on max. Max. Can you see it has highlighted the range that I actually needed? I need it for maths anyway. But if it's that I need it for something else or something specific apart from that, I use the manual way, which I type my equals to max, open my parentheses, drag through the range of data I need. I close the parentheses and I click on my enter. Now I need it for maths. Let me know the maximum value or the maximum score. Who scored it? Who has the highest score? This can be used to detect or can use to, probably I need it. They're going to give a prize for the best student in mathematics from my class. Let's get to know who would that be. The person scored 92%. That was the highest score in mathematics. So who would add that? Let me quickly look at my data and confirm who added that. The only person that have 92 is Latifat. Can you see? Latifat has the highest scores in mathematics. So I quickly type here that Latifat has the highest score in mathematics. So simple. Now I need the person that has the lowest score. Probably we can be able to put him or her in a special training, or we try to recommend something different for her, or we try to change the way of training. Probably it's the way we are teaching the person that is not actually making he or she to grab. Let's know the lowest score. Who did so poorly in mathematics? Equals to, there's an inbuilt formula in Excel that will help you in data, which is going to find the minimum value of a particular range of data highlighted. So I click on others, minimum. Now it's trying to give me a wrong range, which I won't follow. So I will easily delete this, maintain the main, open my own parentheses. Now I have to drag my own range of data so that it won't give me a false range of data. You see? Now close it up and enter. The person scored 39. Who scored that? You can easily look at that because that's just a value. Michael had the lowest mark or the lowest scores in mathematics. We should put him either on probation or on a special training. Now we want to look at English as well. Who are the highest score in English? Now I'll be using the manual way, which is equals to max, your parent, mistakenly type wrong thing there, equals to max, your parentheses open. Now mathematics, English is just the one beside, that's in the next column beside mathematics. I click on my range. We did very good in English language. I have my range. I close it up. 88%. Who will that be? Woo! Latifat again. Latifat was the best in English with 88%. That's quite encouraging for Latifat, winning double honors. Now, who did poorly in English? Who did that? I click on my equals to, min, this time minimum. That's what it stands for. So I like the range of data I want to analyze, what I want to search for. I close my parentheses. 47%. Who had that score? Richard. Richard had 47%. Richard did poorly. Had the lowest mark in English. With that, you can extract data from a very wide range of collections, and you can do that easily instead of you start writing down or start jotting down things. And with this, you can reduce the time wasted on data collection and sorting. Thank you very much. Meet me in the next part. We'll be talking more on grade.